Hello friends, in this video we are discussing MCQ in Industrial Microbiology. This is the sixth video of the MCQ in Microbiology series. You can watch first 5 videos with the links provided in description. The first question is the best medium for the product of penicillin is. The best medium for the product of penicillin is corn steep liquor. Option B is right, corn steep liquor. Question number 2 is industrially important antibiotic producing organism shall be isolated by. Industrial important antibiotic producing organism shall be isolated by crowded plate method. Option D is right, crowded plate method. Question number 3 is industrial alcohol will be produced by using starter culture. Industrial alcohol will be produced by using starter culture is bottom east. Option C is right, bottom east. Question number 4 is pyruvate decarboxylase acetaldehyde plus CO2 equal to this reaction is especially observed in pyruvate decarboxylase acetaldehyde plus CO2 equal this reaction is especially observed in ethanol fermenters. Question number 5 is the pyruvate dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex does not occur in. Question number 5 is the pyruvate dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex does not occur in microfilaric bacteria. Option B is right. This is not occur in microfilaric bacteria. Question number 6 is a major ingredient of penicillin production media is the major ingredient of penicillin production media is corn steep liquor. Option B is right. Question number 7 is the outstanding example of traditional microbial fermentation product is the outstanding example of traditional microbial fermentation product is vinegar. Option A is right, vinegar. Question number 8 is which of the following involves the formation of nitrate from ammonia? Which of the following involves the formation of nitrate from ammonia is nitrification. Option C is right. The first genetically engineered and biotechnologically produced vaccine was against. The first genetically engineered and biotechnologically produced vaccine was against smallpox. Option B is right, smallpox. Question number 10 is one of the standard cloning vector widely used in gene cloning is one of the standard cloning vector widely used in gene cloning is PVR 322. Option C is right. PVR 322. Question number 11 is in alcoholic fermentation CO2 is evolved during. In alcoholic fermentation CO2 is evolved during decarboxylation of pyruvic acid and formation of acetaldehyde. Option D is right. Both A and B. Decarboxylating of pyruvic acid and formation of acetaldehyde. Option D is right. Question number 12 is in the industrial production of streptomycin, the secondary metabolite or byproduct is in the industrial production of streptomycin. The secondary metabolite or byproduct is vitamin B12. Option A is right. Question number 13 is tobacco and tea leaves are fermented to give flavor and taste. This type of fermentation is known as tobacco and tea leaves. The fermentation is known as curing. Option B is right, curing. Option B is right, curing. Question number 14 is vinegar fermentation involves yeast with acetic acid bacteria. Yeast with acetic acid bacteria. Option C is right. Question number 15 is carcinoma refers to malignant tumor of the connecting tissue. Malignant tumor of that connecting tissue. Question number 16 is byproduct of acetone butanol fermentation include riboflavin. Option A is right, riboflavin. Question number 17 is transgenic animal are for the improvement of the quality of transgenic animals are for improvement of quality of milk, meat, egg. Option D is right. All of these milk, meat, and egg. Question number 18 is thermo-resistant bacteria are important in preservation of food. Why? Thermo-resistant bacteria are important in the preservation of food. Why? Canning. Option B is right. Canning. Question number 19 is the fungus used in the industrial production of citric acid. The fungus used in the industrial production of citric acid is Aspergillus nigricans. Aspergillus nigricans. Option D is right. Question number Question number 20 is penicillin is commercially produced by P. chrysogenum. Option B is right. P. chrysogenum. Question number 21 is the most commonly used microorganisms in alcohol fermentation is the most commonly used microorganisms in alcohol fermentation is A. Aspergillus niger. Option A is right. A. Aspergillus niger. Question number 22 is vitamin B12 can be estimated and determined by using organisms. Vitamin B12 can be estimated and determined by using Lactobacillus leishmani. Lactobacillus leishmani. Option B is right. Question number 23 is batch fermentation is also called closed system. Option A is right. Batch fermentation is also called closed system. Question number 24 is to differentiate lactose and the non-lactose fermentation. The medium used is to differentiate lactose and non-lactose fermentation. The medium used is concave medium. Option A is right. concave medium. Question number 25 is the microorganisms useful for fermentation are yeast. Option B is right. Question number 26 is industrial microbiology mainly depend on the phenomenon. Industrial microbiology mainly depend on the phenomenon fermentation. Option B is right. Fermentation. Question number 27 is streptokinase is also termed as streptokinase is also termed as fibrinolysin. Fibrinolysin. Option A is right. Question number 28 is streptokinase is produced by Streptococcus pyogenes. Option D is right. Streptococcus pyogenes. Question number 29 is large vessels containing all the part and condition necessary for the growth of desired microorganisms is called. Large vessels containing all the part and condition necessary for the growth of desired microorganisms is called bioreactor. Option A is right. Bioreactor. Question number 30 is basic principle in industrial microbiology is fermentation. Option B is right. Question number 31 is through mixing of medium and in column the part of fermenter useful is through mixing of medium and in column the part of fermenter useful is impeller. Option C is right. Impeller. Question number 32 is in fermenter the top portion left without broth is called. In fermenter the top portion left without broth is called head space. Option B is right. Head space. Question number 33 is overheating of fermenter during fermentation is controlled by cooling jacket. Option A is right. Cooling jacket. Question number 34 is antifoam agent is silicon compounds, corn oil, soybean oil. Option D is right. All of these. Antifoam agent is silicon compound, corn oil, and soybean oil. All of these. Option D is right. Question number 35 is the capacity of laboratory fermenter is for 12 to 15 liters. 12 to 15 liters. Question number 36 is for the production of ethanol. The raw material used is for the production of ethanol. The raw material is used sulfite waste liquor. Option C is right. Sulfite waste liquor. Question number 37 is different method of strain improvement are protoplast fusion and recombinant DNA technique and genetic recombination. Option D is right. All of these. All of these. Question number 38 is protoplast can be prepared from gram-negative bacteria. Protoplast can be prepared from gram-negative bacteria. Option B is right. Question number 39 is up to the production of desirable production in the fermenter is called downstream process. Option B is right. Downstream process. Question number 40 is the purification and recovery of the production after fermentation is called. The purification and recovery of the production after fermentation is called downstream process. Option B is right. Question number 41 is the microorganisms are allowed to nutrient medium is called. If the microorganisms are allowed to nutrients medium is called surface fermentation. Option B is right for surface fermentation. Question number 42 is submerged fermentation are batch fermentation and continuous fermentation. Option B C is right. Both A and B, batch and continuous fermentations. Question number 43 is batch fermentation is also known as closed system. Closed system. Option A is right. Question number 44 is in if more than one microorganism is used to obtain the required product, that type of fermentation is called. If more than one microorganism is used to obtain the required product, that the type of fermentation is called dual. Option C is right. Dual. Question number 45 is L-lysine is produced by Corynebacterium glutamicum. Corynebacterium glutamicum. Option A is right. Question number 46 is method used to get immobilized enzymes. Method used to get immobilized enzyme is adsorption, encapsulation, covalent bonding. Option D is right. All of these. All of these. Question number 47 is raw material used for the production of alcohol is molasses, starch, sulfide, wastewater. Option D is right. All of these. Molasses, starch, and sulfide, wastewater. Option D is right. Question number 48 is microorganisms used for alcohol production. Microorganisms used for alcohol production is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Option A is right. Question number 49 is for streptomycin production of microorganisms required are for streptomycin production the microorganisms required are Streptomyces griseus. Option A is right. Streptomyces griseus. Question number 50 is the byproduct during streptomycin production is vitamin B12. Option C is right. Vitamin B12. This question we already discussed. Question number 51 is for acetic acid production the method followed are Orleans process, rapid process, and submerged process. All of these. Orleans, rapid, and submerged process. Question number 52 is for amylase production the microorganisms required is. For amylase production the microorganisms required is B subtilis. B subtilis. Option A is right. Question number 53 is pectinase is industrially produced from. Pectinase is industrially produced from A nigger. Option C is right. A nigger. Question number 54 is cellulose are produced from Trichoderma conjugii. Trichoderma conjugii. Option B is right. Question number 55 is industrial production of vitamin B12 is from Propionibacterium and Pseudomonas species. Option C is right. Option C is right. A and B. Question number 56 is Clostridium astobutylicum is used for the production of Clostridium astobutylicum is used for the production of ethanol. Option B is right. Ethanol. Question number 57 is in the production of ethanol industrial the yeast produced is the production of ethanol industrially the yeast used is both B and C Chloromyces fragilis and S cerevisiae. Question number 58 is citric acid is used as all of the above flowering agent, antioxidant and preservative. All of these. Option D is right. Question number 59 is citric acid is produced in aerobic condition by the fungi Aspergillus, penicillin and Mucor. Citric acid is produced in the aerobic condition by the all of these. Question number 60 is the raw material for citric acid production is corn. Option A is right. Question number 61. Aspergillus niger is used generally for the production of citric acid. Option C is right. Question number 62 is in the citric acid production the pH to be maintained in the fermenter is in citric acid production the pH to be maintained in the fermenter is 5 to 6. Option B is right. 5 to 6. Question number 63. The required temperature for the production of citric acid is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Option D is at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Question number 64 is the penicillin produced in large scale submerged fermentation are penicillin produced in large scale submerged fermentation are penicillin G. Option C is right. Penicillin G. Question number 65 is the strain of fungi used for the large scale production of penicillin is Penicillium chrysogenum. Option A is right. Penicillium chrysogenum. Option A is right. Question number 66 is 6-amino penicillin acid. 6-amino penicillic acid is prepared from penicillin species Y. Penicillin acylase. Option V is right. Penicillin oxalase. Question number 67 is the last question of this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please like this video and share this video or subscribe our channel for more video updates. The question is the pH to be maintained for the production of penicillin is 6.5. Option B is right. 6.5. Thank you for watching this video.